side. I'll meet everybody. We'll go from there.
Cool. It's nice in here. All right.
I'm Mike. You're Jerry?
I'm Jerry. Nice to meet you, Mike.
Same here.
Justin.
Have you gone with us before?
I haven't.
You look familiar.
Jason.
Jason?
Justin.
Justin?
Justin.
Justin, yeah. Carter's my first mate to be working with. I know that one. I know what that's like. All right. Have you all deep sea fished before? Anybody's first time?
All of us.
No worries. Carter's going to have you ready to go before you touch a pole. No matter what kind of fishing we're doing, you'll have a good idea what to expect. We'll go out, we'll bait fish, we'll make the run offshore, we'll fish till we run out of time. You all saw how we do it when we get in, hang the fish, get you up there for a pinch, or if the guy's going to fillet them up, bag them, ice them down, it's going to take good care of you. If you like, AJ's will be happy to cook some up for you late, or for supper, or bring some back later, tomorrow, whatever you want to do. That's up to you guys.
Oh, wow.
For him, I always do recommend a gratuity of 18 to 20%. That's everything I got. You ready to go have some fun?
Yep.
Okay, come on out whenever you're ready.
All right, thank you, sir. Okay, can I just add that he looks just like the guy in Jaws? No, the guy that gets 8. You already got a beer, dude? Good for you. You can grab me a beer on your way back. Yeah, this is gonna be great.
I got 3 this morning. Alright, the other thing to say is work your way down. Start about 3 seconds. Fail. 1, 2, 3, stop it, work it right there. After about 3 seconds, if you haven't had a bite, drop another couple seconds. Keep working your way down.
crazy. Is that a dolphin?
Right there.
He's waiting for some fish to fall off. Oh yeah, there he is. Wow, cool. I paid good money to go watch dolphins on the Atlantic. Oh yeah, he's right there. That's cool. And got him.
We're waiting on one. Dolphin. Nah, those things suck. They need some fish. I hate them. I'd like to see them all with 9 millimeters.
Back up. Where'd he go?
He's still right there, I think.
Well, he's got to come up for air at some point. There he is. Yep. Oh, dude.
One good jump. One good jump. There he is.
Let's go. That's all I need. We're down here like a dude trip. It was tough. Yeah, it was tough getting out. Jason,
You see something that you
how you doing, buddy?
good.
Just say hey.
Great, we're catching fish. It's awesome.
What he said.
Risky. Exactly. Okay. Exactly.
Yep, yo, 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 yo. Yo, catching some fish, yo.
Turn the music up.
What are you guys thinking about Jay so far? Give me that bag. It's great. Shit, dude, I would have given anything at their age to do this.
Yeah, I know, dude.
We were way too broke and drunk.
And
That's why I told him, dude. I was like, so you guys gotta understand, this is like a bucket list for all of us, and it's you're getting to do it now. Like,
Oh yeah. Which means next time they get to pay for it. Right? Isn't that how it works?
it's recording. I don't know what you're talking about.
Just nod and smile, Justin.
where were you
Yes,
last
I
night,
was
Justin?
on-
Come along. The Blue Oyster.
with a bunch of redfish. Come on, Jerry. Wish it, and it'll come true. All right, there we go. What do you think, Jason?
I had a fantastic time.
I don't want to say anything, I guess. That's some good fish. Good, caught some good fish. Yeah.
I loved it. I especially enjoyed the part where he was going to pay us for the fish that we caught. So that was neat. He's going to pay us, right? Yeah. Yeah. So we get paid, right?
It's pretty amazing.
I missed something. We get paid for the fish sometimes.
I'm pretty sure that's what he said.
Yep, gonna pay for the fish. I'll use the word again, phenomenal, because Justin uses that word like phenomenal.
Jason and his boys. Yes. Yeah. I heard that smack. Carter, all pissed off because we didn't catch any fish on the last one. Don't be so mad at everybody, Carter.
I got less fish to clean. I don't know that.
All right, man. So how many fish did we catch?
33.
33.
33 that we kept.
Capped.
All day, and you just, you know, I mean, I got tomorrow. I'm not come out and have
Man, this looks like almost 30 pounds. Gotta say.
Is that what your guess was?
No, mine was 15. But I'm gonna say it's at least 30.
I don't think so.
You don't think it's 30?
I mean, there's no way. There's no way that one of those weighs.
Look at how big of a pile that is. There's 60 fillets.
Yeah.
66 fillets.
And think of it as like a brisket.
Yeah, but I'm thinking
22 pounds is a brisket.
that's probably like
26.
And that's way bigger.
Probably like a 6 ounce.
Yeah. 26. Once you cook them, then you're looking at like 12 and a half
Yeah,
to
we're
15.
talking pre-cooked poundage.
Right. Yeah, I know. He's gonna say something here. I'm saying.
All right, 27 and a half. 27 and a half. Come on, Carter. 27 and a half. Do it for me. Do it for me. Big money. Big money. 27 and a half, Carter. Big money. Big money. Stop the wheel. Stop the wheel.
Yeah, it looks like 30 pounds.
Yeah, that looks like a lot more. 27 and a half, Carter.
Forgot that they were.
Won't even, the bag won't even hold it. Yeah! All right, bring your dollars to me. I want every one of them.
You think we were gonna pay?
You know what? You are just like your dad. Oh, I mean, I didn't say that, Jason. I was kidding. Yeah, look at that. Man can hardly lift it off the deck.
He doesn't want to rip the bag.
20 pounds.
20 pounds.
27 and a half. Did you hear the man? He said 27 and a half. Although that feels heavier than a 20-pound dumbbell does.
So Justin, you won?
Sure.
I think